Hey y'all, it's Hadassah, back with another video, back with another unboxing, because y'all already know how we do on this channel. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, you will not regret it. And if you're not new here, welcome back. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. Y'all see the huge box here. So I took advantage of the Black Friday sales that are going on right now, and I ordered from, I don't know how you say it, it's either Giglio or Giglio.com. It's basically an Italian marketplace. I think it's like similar to Farfetch, which you may be more familiar with, but they had a 30% off sale. So I took advantage of it to get this item, and I'm gonna show you how it comes. So a really big box, and it's just gonna say, yeah, it's gonna say Giglio all over the box. So let me get rid of the box and come back. Okay, y'all, we are back, and I'm going to show you. So this is the huge Saint Laurent bag that it comes in. And let's go ahead and pull this down. You see the handles, feeling the vibes already. Y'all, I am so beyond excited about this item. Oh my gosh. Okay, so put the dust bag right there. Y'all, do y'all see this right now? Do y'all see it? Okay. I just want to make sure y'all can see it. So let's talk about this bag. So this is the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche tote, and she comes stuffed very well. I'm gonna remove her wrapping. And I did order an organizer for this tote, and they were actually supposed to arrive on the same day, but the tote ended up coming early, so I'm still waiting on the organizer. But we're gonna walk around this bag. So she is completely leather, and she feels amazing. Let me smell her. She smells like good leather. So this is the exact same size as the canvas version of this tote. It has the same snaps you see here. It says the exact same thing on the front. It's just in leather. So if you're familiar with the canvas version, this is the exact same, just in leather. And on the inside, let me see if I can show y'all. So on the inside, there is this zip pocket, as you can see at the back. And then at the front, there are no pockets. So the inside is I'm gonna say this is like a canvas material on the inside, except at the very bottom, and you can see that that's leather as well. So I am so excited to have this bag. I know this is a departure from a lot of the things I've been unboxing lately, because I've been really into mini bags. I'm still into mini bags, but my first love is a tote. Honestly, first love, always love, will be an amazing tote. So I did fall in love with the book tote trend. And I did actually purchase the Louis Vuitton On The Go GM size, but I ended up returning it because I literally never carried it. I never reached for it. And I think the reason for that was it was so structured and so stiff. So I think that's the reason why I actually ended up returning it, because I'm used to my totes kind of having some give. So other totes that I looked into, I definitely looked into the canvas version of this, but I could never pull the trigger on the canvas version for a variety of reasons that we shall not name. I just couldn't do it. And I've also been looking at the Marc Jacobs Traveler Tote, which I will maybe be getting as well in addition to this one. But the value for this one, this is the best value book tote, I would say, hands down. I got this for 41% off of the retail price because Giglio already has it marked down like $200, I think, cheaper than what the retail price is. So then with the 30% off coupon that they were doing for Black Friday, and then I had 5% cash back with Rakuten. So overall, it's gonna be 41% off of the retail price. And honestly, you cannot beat that with a stick. So I had to get it. I mean, I had to. I couldn't leave it there. You know, I had to get it. And this is a men's item. So I think a lot of people aren't even necessarily going to see it, because when we're searching on websites and they have it separated out by woman versus man, we're always going to be looking in the woman section. So you're not even going to see it. But I look everywhere, hunty. Okay, everywhere for the deals I will look. So this bag is amazing. I will say that you're probably gonna need an organizer with it. Like I said, mine is on the way, and I'll definitely do an update video when it gets here, just to show you guys what fits and all of that jazz. Because the leather is so soft, you can see how it kind of wrinkles up there because it's so soft. So I would definitely say you want to put something here at the bottom to kind of give it that structure that you need. So I am so excited to carry this, y'all. I'm filming this the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm like, should this be my Thanksgiving bag that I'm gonna wear to the living room? You know, because that's what we do for Thanksgiving. We put clothes on just to go to the living room and be around nobody. But I don't know. Should this be the bag? I mean, I can put leftovers in here. I mean, this bag is really, really huge. Let me find the dimensions for y'all. Okay, so I put up the dimensions here on my phone. So it is 18.8 inches across, and it is 14.1 inches tall, and then the width is 6.2 across here if it's like fully stretched out. So it's a big bag, y'all. It is the perfect tote for work. With that being said, I am definitely still working from home, but I can carry this bag around the house if I want to, okay? That's just how we're living our lives in 2020. That's just how we're doing it. So yeah, it's a really big bag, super spacious. Like I said, my organizer is supposed to be coming in a couple of days. So when it comes in, I will definitely do another video so you can see how everything fits inside and more of what the structure of this bag is. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I'm definitely going to be, I'm gonna do better. But I'm gonna be taking some styling pictures with this bag just so you can see how it looks on me, because I know that's something I struggle with when I'm researching things online. I'm on the taller side. I'm not 5 pounds. So, you know, follow me over on Instagram just to keep up to date with everything. And I will see you guys in the next video.